Hey guys, quick rundown of a few things. First things first, I am very tired because I've gone back to work. I've been at work all week. Stop shaking. Yeah, right. But now I'm back at work. I'm working at Bond Auto Warehouse. And this is our winter sweatshirt for the year, I guess. I don't know. Got my work shirt, work polo on underneath it. Haven't gotten changed yet. It's 7:30. I'm exhausted. Oh. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I recorded a few videos this week for you guys. I'm editing one of them right now as we speak. Just because, when I get home, I don't have a lot of time and I'm, tired. When I get home, basically what I do is I clean out my lunchbox. I make dinner, eat dinner, lose track of time while relaxing, make my lunch for the next day, and then go to sleep. Because I wake up at 4:45 every day. Sometimes 4:30, depending on whether or not my body is hating me. Which it did one morning. I woke up at 2, fell back asleep for an hour and a half, then I woke up again. It wasn't pretty. But I am happy to be back at work because that means more money. Which means this is a good thing for my channel because that means I can, first things first, new computer. I'm positive I will have that by the end of February. If not sooner. Probably sooner. Definitely sooner. Maybe mid-February. And then the next thing on my list will be a new TV with a new capture card. So the game cap will be going in a drawer full of junk, and I will have my hands on an Elgato. That's my plan. And then, following that, I'm going to get rid of the guest bed and get a futon couch for that. And then I want to, depending on whether or not it is garage sale season or yard sale season yet, I will either be getting a new desk or a new TV stand. Because I'm getting rid of a lot of the furniture that's in this room. By a lot of the furniture, I mean that ugly thing that the TV's sitting on. And it has a matching one to boot that is smaller that is behind it. They're ugly. Dude, the sides of it are painted it's not even baby green or puke green. It's just this really ugly green. And they're ugly, they're bulky, they're taking up too much space, and they're full of stuff that's not mine. But actually, between buying a futon and buying other furniture for this room, I'm actually going to paint the walls. So that wall behind me will be white. The wall over there will be white. The wall that has the window on it will be white. And that wall over there will be purple, I'm hoping. Hoping it'll be purple. Like a dark purple. My husband said he was okay with it, so it's probably what it's going to be. So, It's just like a feature wall. I don't really care if the other walls have color. And honestly, if I paint them all white, that's just a lot more light that will reflect in the room and make it brighter. I just don't want all the walls to be white, because that's a lot of white. I don't want that. But yeah, no. A new desk will probably be the last thing I buy for this room. But yeah, I've got this like all figured out. I even have sketchies, and by sketchies I mean draw-ups of what I want it to look like. Oh, I also have to buy like mad shelving. I forgot about that. That might be the last thing I buy for this room is shelving, because that's going to be a project on its own, just putting it together. Oh, and I need to buy a floor lamp. I need to get one of those. But I can easily pick that up at, like, the Goodwill or some shit. You'd be amazed what you can find at Goodwill. It's not just for po people. It's for the creative ones, too. You find a lot of good stuff there. Honestly, I think the only furniture that might actually stay in this room that is original to this room itself is the wooden filing cabinet in which my dead tower sits on, and that mirrored dresser back there. Because A, it is a guest room, it needs a dresser for people to stick their clothes in, and B, that's where I do my makeup every morning. But yes, this room will eventually be my creative sanctuary for you guys. I'm hoping to do a lot of fun stuff in here for you. I just need to make it my own, because right now it's kind of like a guest room slash study room slash storage room. It's mostly a storage room, and I absolutely hate that, because it's not a room made for storage. It's a guest room. It's made for, like people to sleep in and stuff like that. And it's just not, and it's not my own space. I mean, honestly, I can't look in any corner of this room without thinking of my husband's mother making it a sewing room. Like, don't get me wrong, sewing room, mad props, but that's not my thing. Yes, I crochet. Yes, I knit. Yes, I am my friend Sarah's personal seamstress for pants and whatnot, but I don't need a sewing room. And I don't want it looking like it's my grandmother's, because it's not. So, yeah, this room's got a lot of work to be done. Now, I don't know, though, what I'm going to do with all the wood trimming, like the window frame and the base. Well, I'll probably leave the baseboards alone, but the window frame and the door frames and the closet door, and I don't know. I might just have to leave that alone, because there is a painting on it. It's not even a painting, it's a stencil painting that my husband's mother did on the door, but she did it on every single door in the house, mind you, where it's like trees and butterflies and flowers, and she went a little too stencil happy in the house. Not even kidding. But yeah, I'm working again, which is good. Means more money, because I am full-time, and I have a lot planned for you guys. I just need the money to get me there. So, bear with me. Things will happen. Things will be getting better. And I'm gonna start doing this thing where I don't record after I go to work because I'm just exhausted. And I'm yawning way too much in my videos. I made a couple for you guys, and I just, like, yawned and sniffled through, like, the entire thing. And I'm sorry, I'm rubbing my eye. And yes, there's green tape on my finger. And no, that's not my middle finger, so I don't have a cow. I cut myself, like, I took a chunk out of my finger with a piece of plastic. It wasn't even my box cutter. I have never cut myself with my box cutter, but I've cut myself with just about everything else in that warehouse. No, I cut a chunk out of my finger with a piece of, it was a plastic container that cracked, and, like, the corner of it got me in the finger, and it took a chunk. And I put a Band-Aid on it, and the Band-Aid keeps wanting to come off, so I wrapped it in tape, and it's been sitting safely ever since. Yay! Gotta love, 'cause this tape is all over the warehouse. Like, it's everywhere. People use it for labeling, they use it for fixing, everything. Hell, I've seen guys use it as just a straight up Band-Aid. So, it works great. But, yeah. Gotta love this stuff. Green tape. Banging. It's basically like masking tape, except that it's green. We also have blue masking tape at work, too. Like, we sell this stuff, so it's not like, we don't have an abundance of it. We have a wicked abundance of it. Like, one aisle of a zone is just dedicated to tape. We've got a lot of tape. So, yes. But I got a lot of stuff planned for you guys. This video's long enough. Oh my goodness. Dead computer. Dead computer. Just sad. Not dead computer. That was a sneak peek for you of what's to come. Is it still? No. What's it doing? Okay. It's a Sims 4 video for you guys later. I'll be uploading all of this weekend. It is Friday night, for the record. I'll be uploading all of this for you guys this weekend, so... And I've got, I want to say 3 parts of Delicious for you guys, too. Excuse my hair. I wore a hat all day, so my hair's kind of... But, yeah. So, I'm gonna set you guys... No, I'll just... Yeah, okay. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. Or gonna have an awesome weekend. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!